If you want to know how you can make a pot from coconut, look at this video. I will tell you step by step what you should do. It's really easy peasy. Okay guys, what we need is a sandpaper for smoothing the coconut shell. Actually the plant for planting, I have chosen cactus. You can choose whatever you want. The glue for sticking, the glass, and actually saw for cutting the coconut shell, and a knife and a spoon. I will tell you why you need a spoon and a knife. Stay with me to tell you and describe what you should do. Okay, first of all, we should skin the coconut shell. Always remember, after skinning, don't throw away the skin because it's really useful for plant soil and we can use it later. Look at here, the coconut has 3 holes, actually 3 eyes, and we should evacuate its water. For this, we should pierce 2 holes of these 3 holes. Guys, this coconut is really tough and I can't pierce it with knife. Because of that, it's better to use a screwdriver for piercing it. Okay, now it's time to evacuate its water. Look at here, if you don't pierce 2 eyes, the water won't come out. The water is too low, it didn't have too much water. It's enough, it's evacuated completely. Okay, after evacuating the coconut water, it's time to cut it. Remember, we should cut the coconut from the side that holes are not in that side. I mean, when the holes are here, we should cut the coconut from this side to make the holes as a drainage for our pot. So for this, we put it here and we mark it with marker to cut the coconut from the exact line. Look at here, this is. Okay, look at here, I marked it with a marker and I should cut the coconut shell from here with a saw. Okay guys, I cut off the upper side of the coconut shell. Now it's time to evacuate inside the coconut. Okay, it's a little dirty. Let me wash the fruit, then I will tell you what to do, because we want to eat this fruit. It's really delicious and I love it. After washing, I will tell you what should you do. Guys, I evacuated this fruit. It's really delicious and I love it. After evacuating, look at here, nothing remains. It's time to sanding the coconut shell for smoothing it. Okay guys, it's over. I completely sanded it and you know, my friend just told me something, sorry. It's completely flat, look at here, and I think it's over. If I wash it, if I wash the shell, it will be completely clean and these dusts will be gone. Okay, just look at here, look at these holes. These are the pots. Actually drainage, and we can pierce this one too. Let me pierce it. Look at here, it's completely drainage, and if you fill the soil inside water comes out of these holes as a drainage. So next step is washing, then filling the soil and the plant inside the shell. Okay, this is our pot after washing. Look at it's really beautiful and it's really classy. And it's if you put it on ground or something like that, it's not fixed. Because of that, we need a base, and the upper side, the coconut shell's upper side can be used as a base. We stick these two shells with a glue, and it will be completely fixed. From here, it looks like a human. These are his eyes, and this is as if it's his mask or something like that. Look at it's really beautiful as a cocoa pit. Now let me fill my pot with soil. Okay guys, now it's time to put my plant, actually cactus, inside the new pot. Now look, how should I take this plant out? The first of all, it's good to push the pot like this. Now I can take it out.